Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. There's just a couple days left to take advantage of the 30% off sale that TipRanks is having. So whether you've been considering unlocking some brand new research tools or upgrading your existing plan, make sure you follow the link in the description down below to take advantage. Also, don't forget to check out TipRanks TV, where you can find ad-free exclusive content, and make sure you say good morning in the comments over there, as I'll be hanging out in the comment section following this morning's video. Now this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, a bunch of notable earnings reports today, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the red so far this morning. Right now, the Dow futures are down 0.22%, S&P 500 futures down 0.27%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.44%. Online trading platform Robinhood jumped up about 24% yesterday after the company announced they were extending their trading hours by 4 hours. Now, their trading time extends from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, compared to the prior timing of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Previously, it used to start 30 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange opened and ended 2 hours after the market closed. They stated that our new extended trading hours for equities will give customers more opportunities to manage their portfolio at a convenient time for them, whether that's in the early morning or in the evening. Analysts currently rate the Robinhood stock a hold with an average upside of 19%. E-commerce company BigCommerce announced that they've entered into a strategic partnership with fintech company Sellers Funding to help online sellers grow faster. The partnership aims to provide a platform to online sellers that will allow them access to Sellers Funding's suite of financial solutions, and also transition to an effective direct-to-consumer model with BigCommerce. Also, customers on BigCommerce's platform can access Sellers Funding's financial solutions to support their critical operational activities like advertising, inventory management, and research and development of new products. The BigCommerce stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 44%. And United Health has agreed to acquire home healthcare provider LHC Group in a deal worth $5.4 billion. Once the deal goes through, it would give United Health a deeper presence in the expanding home-based care market. The LHC Group provides home-based healthcare and operates in 964 locations across 37 states in the U.S. The deal values the LHC Group at $170 per share. The United Health Group stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside just shy of 5%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from BioNTech, Paychex, and Five Below. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from UiPath and Agile Therapeutics. Last night, we heard from chip maker Micron, who posted upbeat results for their second quarter, with earnings per share, revenue, and gross margin all exceeding the company's guidance that was provided back in December. The chipmaker also provided above expectation third quarter fiscal 2022 guidance. Micron reported Q2 adjusted earnings of $2.14 per share, beating the street's estimates of $1.97 per share and well above the 98 cents per share in the same quarter last year. Their revenue of $7.79 billion surpassed the consensus estimates of $7.53 billion and grew nearly 25% year over year. With unanimous buy ratings, the Micron stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 45%. We also heard from athletic apparel retailer LULU. They reported mixed results for their fourth quarter, with earnings passing expectations but revenue missing. However, the stock is still on the rise. The company's earnings per share for the quarter stood at $3.37, which was a rise of over 30% from the year-ago quarter and topped the analyst estimates of $3.27. They reported quarterly net revenues of $2.1 billion, which was up 23% year-over-year, but did fail to surpass the consensus estimates of $2.13 billion. The Lululemon stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 21%. And we also heard from Lovesac Company, who had blowout results for their fourth quarter, significantly outpacing both earnings and revenue estimates. The American furniture retailer that specializes in patented modular furniture systems say that the beat was driven by robust showroom sales and lower promotional discounting. Their adjusted earnings of $2.03 per share grew 48% year-over-year and massively outpaced analyst expectations of just 54 cents per share. Their net sales jumped 51% year-over-year to $196.2 million, again easily exceeding the estimates of $174.3 million. With just 2 current analyst ratings, the stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 95%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Herman Miller following their third quarter earnings report. Under the ticker MLKN, the stock is currently up over 12%. They're followed by Vir Biotechnology. Under the ticker VIR, the stock is up 11.8% on the news they would be joining the S&P Small Cap 600. And Lululemon Athletica, under the ticker LULU, the stock is up over 7% following their quarterly earnings report. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Chewy. Their stock is falling after delivering higher than expected losses for their fourth quarter. Trading under the ticker CHWY, the stock is currently down 13.65%. They're followed by Microvast Holdings under the ticker MVST. The stock is down 11.7% after reporting a wider annual loss than expected. And the Pearson stock under the ticker PSO, they're currently down about 9.5% after Apollo withdrew their takeover plans. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. And don't forget, it's the last day to take advantage of TipRanks' 30% off sale too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you back here next time.